Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Spin Weekly. This is a Paradise Fiber of the Month Club unboxing. This is the September back to school box. It's obviously not September anymore. It's a little late because I didn't have an editing computer. You guys know the story, but I wanted to show you anyway. So here we go. I love how they put it in a bag this time. I think that was a really cool touch. They have highlighters, gloves, and this little plasticky, it's more like vinyl pin protector. There we go. And the little sheep sticker is shaped like an apple this time, and some flair. At this point, I was confused. I'm like, why is there highlighters and gloves? I don't know. Then I pulled out some really pretty sari silk roving. This stuff is super gorgeous. It comes in a variety of colors, as you can see. The white is very mellow, and then this one is probably my next favorite. You can see it's totally my color scheme. And then this blue is really that intense. It's a really bold blue. I love sari silk for blending. It's super versatile. You can use it in tons of projects, and it doesn't impact the overall texture very much if you card it in really thick. You can do clumps, or you can do fine carding. And here we go. We have the main roving, and I'm still confused at this point as to why there's highlighters, but I really like how they put it in there. I also love that they have a really in-depth breed card now. This makes my breed studies a lot more straightforward, my research, because their card is super informative. So you can see the staple length and kind of how the crimp looks and how it behaves there. And now I'm going to figure out, oh, the highlighters are for dyeing. I did not understand why they were for dyeing. You know, why they were there. They're for dyeing, and they have a tutorial on their webpage for how to use these as a dye. So go check out their blog. I have a link down below if you want to see how to use highlighters for dyeing. And otherwise, that was the box. I really enjoyed it. I love how they put in so many different little add-ins, so that way you can make lots of different projects, not just the one project that they have set up. They really build your stash. This is such a stash building box. But then it's also very educational, and yeah. So if you want to grab one, there's a link down below. There's a link that you can choose. So I get a little bit of thank you money, no extra cost to you. And there's also a link if you don't like my face and don't want to give me thank you money. That's cool too. I give you options. If you want to check out some of the other things that I do, check out my Patreon. I said check out twice, but you know what to do. There's links down below. There's also tons of other videos on this channel, or if you're already on Patreon, you can check out the Patreon video archive, which is in the description of this post. So you can see everything I've done for Patreon, and I will see you